Good morning, everybody. It's Redsquadron4 here. This is box break 187. This is a single box of the 11-12 Crown Royal. It is 7:34 on September 29th. I just can't prove it to you because my camera will not focus. There we go. And here's our box, the last box of the morning. Again, if you've been involved in the other boxes, the 12-13 certified was pretty nice. 11-12 certified. I didn't like it. So let's hope that this one's nicer. All right. Again, there's our serial number. Good luck to all of you. We have a Brett Connolly Calder collection for Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay Brett Connolly Calder collection. Base. I like these cards. I like the jersey cards for the Leafs when they have that camouflage swatch. Anyhow, Toronto Maple Leafs. This is a All the King's Men of Dion Phaneuf. All the King's Men for the Philadelphia Flyers, Danny Briere. And we have a disappointment. We have Alexander Burmistrov, a Winnipeg Jets. Hopefully he comes back to the NHL sometime. But anyhow, Alexander Burmistrov, Winnipeg Jets, and it's a red parallel. Pretty cool. For the New Jersey Devils, I still think this kid's going to be great. Adam Larson, New Jersey Devils, Calder Collection autograph. Number 60 of 99. Adam Larson, Calder Collection autograph. We have an Ice Kings for the Detroit Red Wings, Nick Lidstrom. Ice Kings. Card. And our last pack of the morning. I do have 3 more breaks tonight. Hopefully, you guys get involved in that as well. Base cards. And we have for the Dallas Stars a rookie auto of Thomas Vincoeur. Thomas Vincoeur, Dallas Stars. No serial number. But it is an on-card autograph. And, we have one more rookie card for the Predators, Matthias Ekholm. Nothing to random, folks. Thanks, and I will work with you again, hopefully tonight.